I used to walk into rooms and feel like I was made of glass, present but not seen. Then I learned what people's brains are actually scanning for the moment you walk in, and I've never walked into a room the same way since. 34 milliseconds. That's all the time their brain takes, not to like you, not to trust you, just to file you. And once it files you, psychology says it takes 8 more positive encounters to undo one bad first read. Every confidence coach will tell you eye contact, smile, firm handshake. They skipped the part that actually matters, the part that hits before any of that. Your brain has been broadcasting a signal your whole life. You just never knew what channel it was on. The first thing, it's not your face. It's not what you're wearing. It's how your body moves through space. Your nervous system tells your muscles whether you're safe or scared before your brain has processed a single thought. Someone who moves with no urgency, no apology, their brain reads status. Someone contracted, rushed, shrinking, their brain reads threat. I started slowing my pace down by 20%. Same room, same me, completely different response from people. The manual for this was never handed out, not in school, not at home, not by anyone who raised you. You've been performing presence without ever being taught what presence actually is. Second layer, your eyes. And before you say, I know eye contact, stop. It's not that. It's where your eyes go in the first 3 seconds of entering a space. That's what gives you away. Eyes to people first, warm, open, safe. Eyes to exits, floor, phone, closed, anxious, gone. Here's the actual fix, and it sounds too simple to be real. When you walk in, let your eyes find one beautiful thing first. A color, a light, a plant, anything. Your nervous system resets. Your gaze softens without you trying. People feel drawn to you, and they can't explain why. Now, this is where it gets uncomfortable, because the third thing they detect, you cannot fake it. Humans have been reading it for 200,000 years. A Harvard researcher named Amy Cuddy spent years trying to understand what made certain people magnetic. She found that the brain asks 2 questions the instant it registers another human. Can I trust this person? Can I respect them? Trust comes first, every time. And trust isn't built with your resume. It's built with warmth, before you've said a word. A slight openness in your posture, a half smile that no one had to earn yet, using someone's name once in the first minute. Tiny, ancient, unstoppable. Here's what I think about sometimes. How many rooms I walked into where I was already liked and I never knew. How many people thought I was cold because I was just scared of taking up space. So here's what that scan is reading every time you enter a room. Your movement before they see your face. Your eyes before you speak. Your warmth before anything you've ever achieved. None of this is performance. None of it is a mask. It's the language your body already speaks. You're just finally learning the words. Your entrance already spoke today. Tomorrow, you'll decide what it says. If you've ever felt invisible in a room, this one's for someone you know. Send it to them.